After sweeping proposed changes to the state's tax system, Governor Landry says more money for teachers is on the way if residents vote yes on the upcoming ballot. But some teachers say that's not the full picture.
Not everyone would see the bump in money as stipulations are attached. Alyssa Curtis explains why some are disappointed.
The entire package fixes what's wrong and what is required of us.
In a giant package of proposed changes during Louisiana's special tax session, lawmakers included money for teachers, a $2,000 permanent salary increase for teachers, and $1,000 for school support staff. But now a lawsuit filed by New Orleans civil rights lawyer William Most accuses the language in the constitutional amendment of being confusing. Most says those teacher pay raises aren't as straightforward as it seems.
But when you get into the fine print, that is not what would happen.
Only schools who pay into the retirement system are eligible.
In New Orleans in particular, there are a lot of charter schools that don't participate. So teachers and school employees in those schools would not be eligible.
We were very disappointed that the bill was not amended to include all charter school teachers and support staff. And we will be advocating on their behalf.
And depending on how some public schools pay into the teacher retirement system, some teachers may not get the full $2,000. Plus, there's some conflicting thoughts on whether or not it constitutes as a pay raise, since the last 2 years, teachers and staff have gotten a stipend for the same amount.
But it's effectively what the same amount people have been paid the last 2 years. It's not more than that, which is why we hesitate to want to call it a raise. It sort of is a misrepresentation.
But either way, it's not the way the legislature has given teachers pay raises in the past. And presidents of the Louisiana Federation of Teachers and the United Teachers of New Orleans both like the other way.
We would like it to see in the MFP, the Minimum Foundation Program, where it's locked into teacher and school support.
If giving teachers and school employees a raise is a priority, they know how to do that because they've done it 4 or 5 times in the last 6 or 7 years.
Whether it passes or not, unions say they'll continue to fight for more money for those shaping the future. Alyssa Curtis, WWL Louisiana.
Well, Governor Landry released a statement saying in part this lawsuit attempts to deny citizens their right to vote, to grant teachers a permanent pay raise, lower income taxes for seniors, reduce the maximum income tax rate, and limit the growth of state government.